So much for joining the demo session 2 today. So yesterday also we discussed about the some demo like introduction about the BTP and what is BTP and some history about the BTP, and so this kind of stuff we discussed it. And today also we'll go a little bit more about the topics which we are going to discuss, and also where can we see the BTP related topics like BTP related services and what we are going to cover. And so what is the little bit more about the rise with SAP, and what is the relation between BTP and rise with SAP, how both are working together, right? So this kind of things we'll see today. Okay, so coming to the BTP, right? So normally if you see nowadays every company, almost most of the companies are they are adopting the BTP solutions and services. So they're trying to integrate, at least they're trying to implement BTP for their existing landscapes, right? So first of all, what is BTP? The abbreviation wise, it's a technology platform. It's a business technology platform here. It's a business technology platform. So it's a platform as a service based concept, PaaS platform as a service based concept here. So in the cloud terminology, normally right, in the cloud terminologies, in the cloud in the cloud terminologies, so we have the clear understanding of the basic cloud terminology technical terms like we have the so IaaS, right? So hybrid cloud, multi cloud, right? Every public cloud, private clouds, and so they are the cloud services like so IaaS, right? So PaaS and also SaaS, right? They are the cloud services here. They are the services here, right? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service based concepts here, right? So in this cloud terminology, the infrastructure team, IaaS team, like your infrastructure providers, like your Azure, AWS, and this infrastructure partners, so GCP, right? So they will provide the infrastructure. They will manage the infrastructure layer, whereas SAP will manage the platform layer here. So similar concept in the BTP also. So this infrastructure providers will maintain the infrastructure for SAP. They will maintain the infrastructure layer, but in the infrastructure layer they will maintain it here. So in the BTP, the platform layer, the applications will managing by the SAP here. So that's why BTP is a platform as a service based concept here. BTP is like a platform as a service based concept here. In the that is SAP is providing the platform to the customers to use the BTP related services and solutions here. BTP related services and solutions here. Sir, where can we see the services, solutions, and tools? Discovery Center. SAP Discovery Center here. There is a Discovery Center. In the Discovery Center, we can see the all the SAP related services and solutions here. Right? If we go to the Discovery Center of SAP here, so we can see the all the 80 plus services in the Discovery Center. So all these services, solutions, tools can help us to build the applications. It will help us to utilize the business applications development extending. So there the so analytics, there are many services are available, 80 plus services are available, 84 services are available. You can see in that we have the ABAP environment, event mesh, right? So then autoscaler, business application studio, professional development tool for the developers with low code, no code, automation pilots, right? So there the many services are available here. Many the services are available. Cloud transport management, custom domain, right? And also custom domain services. Yeah, the many services are available here. Data quality, farm service, ADS service, right? Event mesh. So like that, all the services are available. But for all these services, it's required the infrastructure. For all these services, it's required the infrastructure here, right? Then who will manage the infrastructure for this all the services here? So your infrastructure partner like either Azure, right? Your Azure or AWS or GCP or SAP. SAP also they have the own data center, then HCC data centers. They can also manage this one here, SAP, right? So SAP they have own Neo, so they are managing, but this is going to be sunset. So SAP not recommending for the customer to go with the SAP Neo, and we have only the 3 infrastructure layers. We can use these 3 infrastructure layers for our business here, right? Azure, AWS, or GCP here, right? So these are the main infrastructure partners they are helping here, right? So as I mentioned yesterday, BTP is like a one-stop shop for the all your need. One-stop shop for the all your need. All your need means, suppose my business, I need to build the one Fiori application. For my business, I need to build the one custom Fiori application. I need to build the one tool. I need to use the some databases. I need to use the application. So for everything they have categorized all the related whatever you required, everything is available under the BTP. Everything is available under the BTP here. Where it is available in the BTP cockpit, it is available. They are providing the BTP cockpit. So in that platform, all the listed services are available. You can just pick up that service. You can utilize this one. So it's an offering from the SAP which will fulfill all these requirements. BTP is a portfolio of the SAP solutions and services that all are brought under one umbrella, right? So these services solutions helps organizations to build the new cloud applications or existing SAP systems also they can extend. Existing SAP systems also they can extend here. So that's why, so BTP, so they have the 5 main key components here in the BTP. They have the 5 main key components in the BTP here. Normally we will call it as the 5 main pillars here. One, that application development related, integration related things here, and also AI related services here, data, database, analytics, and AI and machine learning related, all the services are available here. They are the 5 main key pillars in the BTP here, right? So yes, which we discussed yesterday also here, right? So one is the application development related stuff here. Application development related stuff here. Application development. Second one is the integration related stuff. Integration related. The third one is the DB and the analytics related database, DB and the analytics related services here, right? The fourth one we have the fourth one we have the integration already there, application development, right? Then the AI related services here, right? AI related services here, development related. Earlier we have only 4. Earlier we have only the 4 main services we have available here. Now so they have, so fifth main pillar also they have introduced called the AI. So normally, so earlier we have only 4, that is called the, but fifth pillar they have introduced called the AI here, right? So AI pillar also they have introduced it here, right? So in the AI we have the business AI, right? In the business AI and business core services, and also some kind of like automation related services, DB, integration, data analytics, and application development related services here, right? They are the 5 main key components, means all their services, solutions, tools, databases, they have categorized into the 5 main pillars in the BTP. These are the 5 main pillars in the BTP here, right? Sir, here what is rise with SAP here? Sir, BTP fine, but what is the rise with SAP here? What is the relation between the BTP and rise with SAP here, right? So rise with SAP is a offering package here. It's a subscription based offering package from the SAP here. Subscription based, they are the offering package from the Rise with SAP is like a subscription based business transformation as a service offering, which means this will help companies to transition to the cloud version of the S4HANA with a single package. So one license, one contract with that subscription model. So with single license, you can leverage the all the SAP related benefits. You can use it under this Rise with SAP concept here, which means the support also SAP will be taking care of this project Rise with SAP here. Means if you have the on-premises ERP system, then if you go to the Rise, SAP will manage that Rise with Rise. SAP will manage the all the support, as well as they will take care of the in-house. Everything will be the in-house of the SAP here. It will help companies to transition the cloud version of S4HANA with the packed set of tools, services, and support also here. In this rise here, with rise with SAP, what is included means your S4 HANA cloud. Your S4 HANA cloud is also included, and also the business, and the second one, the business process transformation tools. The transformation tools, business process transformation tools also available. And also we have the BTP related credits also, you will get it out here. And also then you will get the some of the migration tools, like so migration tools to migrate the data, LTMC migration tools to migrate the data from the on-prem to cloud. And also you have the infrastructure, cloud infra also you will get in that package. And also the managed services and support, managed services and managed services and support here, right? So in this rise, these are the these are the these are the things are included in the rise here. These are the things included in the rise here, right? So S4HANA cloud, which means you have the existing ERP systems are there, ECC ERP systems are there. If the customer is planning to the rise, then they will use the this subscription based model here, S4HANA cloud, either public cloud or private cloud. They can go for the, so this S4HANA cloud here, right? Core ERP system is in the, your ERP system is in the cloud here. SAP will manage everything here. Then tools, the business process tools like SAP Signavio for the process analysis and optimization purpose. We have the tools also SAP is providing under the same contract, Rise with SAP contract only. And BTP, they are providing the BTP services also to the customer, so that you can extend and you can integrate the applications. Some of the tools, migration tools to move to the from on-prem to cloud and cloud infra, right? It's run your choice on the hyperscaler, right? Where you want to run your ERP systems, like your AWS, Azure, GCP, in SAP own data center. It's your choice of the hyperscaler here. And also with that contract, with that one contract, one SLA, they have simplified the operations also. They have simplified the operations also. The purpose of Rise with SAP, introduced it here, make the cloud adaptation faster and safe. You can simply go to the safer and faster adaptation. And also you can use the modernized business process with the best practices and complete package. In one package, you can entire complete transformation journey with one package. In one package, complete transformation, ERP transformation to the S4HANA, you can do it here, right? So BTP in that Rise with SAP deliver the S4HANA cloud and transformation tools, and BTP is providing the technology platform, which will help you are extending the S4HANA without touching the core. So why? Because when the people are going to the cloud, S4, sorry, Rise with SAP, then they are the customization is very less here. You cannot do the more customization here in the Rise. In that case, you can use the BTP related, so some of the tools or services for the side-by-side extension above development tools, we can use it here. And also you can integrate the BTP to S4HANA with the other systems. And also you can add the some of the automation capabilities, analytics capabilities, and AI capabilities also, you can use it here. So in short, if I summarize it, Rise with SAP is to move you to the cloud, and BTP helps you to innovate and extend the after you are there. Means after you moving to the cloud, or and BTP will help you. Sir, some of the customers, they are not in the cloud, they are not in the Rise. In that case, how? So in that case also, the existing customers who are in the on-premises, so then in that case, on-premises or private cloud, they can also leverage the BTP related services and tools. If the people are already in the cloud, they can also use it, right? And it's definite must and should they have to use it. Even the persons are in the rise with SAP, then they have to use the BTP services. If they are not in the rise, they have to use the BTP related services also. We can use it here, right? So this will help. This will help to extend their business functionalities and everything here, right? So in that case, we have the some like we have the AI related services also available. So they can also use the like Joel integrations and remaining they can also use the these BTP related services and solutions here, they can use it here, right? So why companies are moving to the BTP means, so as I mentioned yesterday also, they are the clean core principle. One is the main important thing is the clean core principle here. Clean core principle here, which means clean core, which means S4HANA is the clean, no custom modifications in the ERP when it is going, then faster upgrades, lower maintenance cost and everything. Why? Because there is no separate support team is required to maintain that one. So it's a clean core principle. That's why BTP allows all the customization to be moved to the outside of the S4HANA into one independent platform. This is the huge advantage for the customers. Why? Because it's a clean core principle here, right? And also the faster innovations, the faster innovation here. Faster innovation means they can build the applications in a days we can use to build the applications here. Right? Simply they can use the build apps, some automate the business process, AI powered features, ready to use the SAP content they can use, right? So that it's a faster innovations and everything. And also cloud first strategy here, which means SAP BTP is a cloud innovation engine, right? There the new capabilities are available, AI automations, right? Joel, LLM. So there the many things are released first, right? So they can also they can use the all in the BTP related, all this cloud ALM and Joel, all are available in the BTP. So they can use the this BTP related services. If you use the BTP, you will get the all the benefits here, right? You can leverage all the services and everything here, right? So like that, this is the way the customers are thinking, and they are going to they are moving to the BTP. They are using the BTP related services and applications here, right? So that is the way. And so come, okay, this is fine. I can give more examples on the how we do the rise migrations, what is the our technical scope of the as part of the rise migrations. Nowadays if you see, companies are doing the migrations to the rise migration, then ERP migrations, rise migrations, you see the some projects, right? So what is our scope of activity, what we have to do as part of the rise migrations, right? So that thing I will explain it here. And also cloud ALM is the one is the go-to ALM for the solution manager, right? So it is the advanced successor version of the cloud ALM. This is the one, right? So then how we can configure the alerts, KPIs, metrics, integration of the systems, backend systems into the cloud ALM. How can we monitor the dashboards and all those things in the cloud ALM? And so Fiori, build work zone. So all those concepts are included in the our training. So back to the our training content here. So if you see our training content here, BTP administration, the first thing we are going to discuss about the BTP overview, right? As part of the BTP overview, we are going to discuss about the architecture of the overview, some basic platform concepts like what is the account model structure, licensing types, which licensing type, like which customers will go to the which licensing type, benefits of the licensing types. We'll discuss more on the pricing models and the licensing models in these topics here. These all are the basic platform concepts here. In this pricing list overview, like how to analyze the price, how to minimize the price to the customers, right? How to avoid which service is using the which, how much, like that's monitoring and usage, everything we can observe it. So those things we are going to discuss. And also what is the regions concept here. Suppose sir, my customer already in the Europe region, how can I use the BTP service in the Europe region only to avoid the latency issues? Then regions concept, cloud foundry environment concept, destinations concept in the BTP, right? Similar to the SM59 destinations. Then how your backend systems will talk to the BTP here, right? Backend systems will talk to the BTP, means cloud connectors, integrations, configurations, right? Some of the security related stuff we are going to discuss, like cloud identification services, IDP integrations like Azure AD, Okta, those identity providers, how can we integrate to the BTP? In the BTP also SSO possible, right? We can how in the backend SAP system SAML2 configurations and how we are doing all kind of things. This identity providers also we are using here, right? So then global accounts, sub accounts creations, right? So cloud transports. In the back end we have the STMS. So STMS similarly, so here in the cloud transport management service, right? In the cloud level, sub account to sub account to move the, means sub account means one system to other system, how we use the STMS to move the transport. Similarly, cloud transport management also we are using here, and BTP services, environments, and also the development tools, BAS, professional development tools, SAP BTP Yo, can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear
Yes,
you.
yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. So we are going to discuss about the integration suite related, how the, so what is the scope of the integration suite here, right? How the CPA team will do the integrations. What is the our technical scope here? How we will integrate the backend PO systems into the integration suite here. Then how we will do the integration transports. Then so HANA Cloud, ABAP Cloud, custom themes, right? And also we are going to discuss about the cloud ALM and dashboard monitoring here, right? So some of the rise with SAP concepts overview and all those things, whatever that technically we required. So we are going to discuss, we are going to cover in the our sessions here, right? So the total, the plan is, so this will take the 30 days duration here. So daily 1 hour I am planning to do. So 30 days duration it will take, and as part of the course you will get the documentation, and so recorded, each session will be recorded, that recorded video also you will get it out, and also you will get the server access to practice the BTP related some of the scenarios, live scenarios, some scenarios you want to practice, you will get the server access also. So these are the services you will get from my side training. And so daily 1 hour, the only thing is we need to fix the timings part here. So here I see most of the people are joined. If everybody is okay, we can discuss let's see the voting part also. That we'll see timings we can, but we can start immediately. If everybody's agree, we can start from the immediately. That is that the one of the thing. Yeah, the mainly BTP administration stuff we are going to discuss here. It's not like purely development part and everything. It's a purely administration work we are going to discuss. And this will be helpful for the certifications also. There is a certification code. So P underscore BTPA 2408. So that certification code, it will be helpful. So you can write the certifications also. So I have also some dumps in the previous. I will also share the some dumps also. You can also go through it. So the first thing we are going to discuss about the BTP architecture and overview in the more detailed way, like how the account structures, like how we will get the BTP accounts, then what is our scope of work, and how to create the like sub accounts, integration to the cloud connector, integration to the backend system, destinations, service users. Then so what are the security so principles we need to follow it here. So like that we'll go one by one, basic to somewhat advanced level. We will discuss all these concepts here. Okay, so these are the concepts, and so we'll discuss more in our regular classes also. That's about the gathering of this session, actually day 2 session. So yeah, that's it. If any questions, anyone, you can feel free to ask me.